So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you a quick demo how to fill the address form. Here I'll share the strategies, how to fill the address and a quick guide to understand you the complete process even if you are from village, how you can get the swag smoothly. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, let me open my notepad. So the simple structure, if you have seen the arcade price counter, okay, in the mail, there is section of name, mobile, email and the address line 1, 2, etc. So first thing in the name section, you need to understand most of you are confused that should I use my name only or any other name like I created arcade account means the cloud skills boost account. I have to use that name or can I use my legal name also or Aadhaar name? You can use any name. Okay, if you are from India, you can use any name. For the people who are from outside India, they will require a genuine name, whatever is presented on their government ID. Because for international shipments, you need to understand the shipment is coming from India to different countries. So there will be some KYC procedures. If you are from India, you do not worry about it because it will be free of cost and without any KYC submission. Okay. So in KYC, you have to provide government ID and the name and address should be matched. So while filling these things, you need to take care that whatever address you are entering, whatever name you are entering is present on the government ID. Because if any mismatch is produced while custom clearance, then your package will get stuck and Google won't be having any responsibility for that thing. Now coming to the second thing, okay, now name for the normal participants if you are from India, just use your normal name. Any government ID name also can be applied, a normal name. And if you are having random name like, for example, random name like arcade player, arcade genius, or any other random name, make sure to don't use these kind of fake names. Otherwise, your order will get cancelled mostly in terms of fake account. Maybe generally it may not get cancelled, but still use your genuine name. You can use your name, your parents' name. Now coming to the email, you have to use the same email in which you have received the prize email. Most of the participant did one mistake, they used any random email. So in that case, you can just contact the support and get the email updated. Mobile number should be unique. See, if you are having brothers and sisters participating in the program, you need to understand that mobile number for each set means each milestone. For legend, one mobile number. For trooper, one mobile number. So if you are having multiple sets of swags, not under your name, but your family members have also taken part in it, then the system will just cancel it if you use the same mobile number. So make sure to use different mobile number and different name. Now coming to the address line 1, address line 2, and all the things. Address line 1, most of you are getting confused. Even initially, I also used to get confused when I saw these terms first time because it's a very basic term, but most people don't know. So in address line 1, you have to mention your address. Here you can add, like you can add your father's name. See, multiple participants are there in the arcade program. Some are from town, some are from village, some are from different countries. So depending on your address, in simple words, I have to explain, like if you are having any bank account, or if you are having any other parcels which are getting delivered, make sure to use the same address and it should be accurate. For example, if you are from any city, you can add the wing number, society number, your flat number, area number. See, most of the societies have holding numbers also and the room number, flat number, apartment number. But in villages, we don't have any apartment like this. There is a complete village. So there people know mostly by our grandfather's name, our father's name, mother's name, granddaughter's name. So grandmother's name, sorry. By these names, they don't know us. So like this, you have to update the name also. So I'll show you a sample example, do not worry. In address line 1, you have to enter your name or your father's name, whatever name you want to write. Okay, there is no issue. As we are from India, you don't require a government ID. You can write any address. But if you are outside from India, you need to enter the same address which is printed on your government ID. So you can just write your father's name or just your Aadhaar card's address. One more important thing, most of the people were asking that should our swags be delivered only to our government ID address? No, you are free to use any address. You can deliver it to your aunt's address, your family member's address, college hostel address, anywhere. Now here you have to mention your father's name. Okay, for example, This is your father's name. Now after that you have to just mention the next step. So where you reside. For example, let me just enter a sample address and it will help you to understand. So if I am from let me just devise a sample address. Let me make a real address over here. So son of, say, okay, so this is your father's name, or you can directly, instead of son of, you can just add directly Yash. Your father's name or your name, there is not issue. And here you have to enter your core address, like where you reside. If you reside in any colony, you have to mention this apartment A and room number. If you are having room number, you have to mention the room number also. And then after that, you have to, if the address is little bit long, come to the address line 2. And both of these are optional. I think address line 2 is mostly optional, but if it asks to fill the details, just fill half address in address line 1 and half in address line 2. Now state, if you are from different state, just mention the state. Okay. And here some important thing is that I missed country. So depending, as this is a global event, you have to select your country also. So you have to select India or any other country where you reside. Okay. Now here, the next thing which will be done, the mobile number. Okay. Here, once you select the country, the mobile number country code will be automatically selected. For India, it's 91, and for Indonesia, it's +62. Okay, so this is the thing, it will be automatically updated. You don't have to write. For example, most people start writing the mobile number with 91 in like this, but you don't have to do this. Just start from the next number after +91. Once you added all the things, mobile number, all the things have been added, then come to the state. Okay, so just add the state. So you must be knowing the state also and the city where you reside. Okay, let me correct. Okay. It's correct. Now let me add the city also. So like this, you have to update the city too. Okay. And then the postal code too. After that, some important things you need to understand. See, if you are living in village area, then as I said earlier, that the address need to be clear and so that your package does not get cancelled or returned to origin. Return to origin means from where it was shipped. So in that case, what you can add, your father's name, as I said earlier, landmark or locality, like if there is any school, colleges, hospital nearby, you can add their address also. And one more important thing, whenever the prices will be out for delivery, okay, prices will be out for delivery, you'll be notified to the mobile number that your package is out for delivery. You can contact the delivery guy also, and then you will be getting the swags. All the information will be shared. Okay, do not worry. Also, I uploaded a video regarding the most important query, that you have got the price, claim the price but haven't received the price email yet. So how you can just check it, all the resources are there. Just check the playlist. I have linked the playlist. All your queries are already answered in the form of short videos. Now I am showing you a sample rough example. So here you can see it's segregated address. So this is a normal address for the particular. So this is segregated address. You can clearly see that industrial area and sector 62 like this. If you are from a different place, like for example, this is for city people. Okay, now if you are from village, as I said, you have to enter all of the things like nearby school, father's name, and college or hospital if there is any. Okay, you can just get it the swags. And if you still feel that your swags won't be delivered in your village, you can just make the address of nearby city. If you are living there, or if you any friends of yours living there, you can just contact them and get your socks. So this was the quick update. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. One more important thing I think I missed, that if your and sister participating in the arcade program, then in that case there should be slight modification in the address. Okay, slight modification in the address means while adding the address, the name and mobile number and email will be surely different, but in that case just try to use different device. And while ordering, suppose your room number is 8, Means if you are living in flat, just try to add room number 7, etc. Mean in simple words, just try to add a slight modification. You can add a random, you can add a nearby shop, you can add a nearby flat, you can just change the wing from A to B. And one more important thing, after just changing it, if you are from village also, you can just enter a nearby address like any school, college, as I said earlier. I have repeated multiple times. I hope you won't be asking it again and again. So there should be a slight modification so that your orders are not catched as multiple. Even though if you they catch, they'll be asking you a government ID, which you can easily provide. So I hope this clears your doubt, and that was the quick update how to fill the address form. If you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.